So, good morning, but you're teenagers, so that's less likely. Good afternoon, very possibly good evening. You choose whichever one's appropriate for you. So, this is taking up page 163, dividing fractions. And as I've been doing, I'm just doing a small section of what I assign so that you still can see each type of question being done, but it's not taking you until you're 18 years old to get through all the videos. Okay. So 2b, they had 9/10 divided by 5/3. As we discussed, we are going to take the reciprocal of 5/3, so we flipped it over. Instead of it 5/3, now it's 3/5. And when we do that, we change it to a multiplication question. 9 times 3 is 27, 10 times 5 is 50, and then we look for lowest terms, but that one already is. So then we have 1/2 divided by 7/6. Again, reciprocal, 7/6 becomes 6/7. This is changed to multiply. 1 times 6 is 6, 2 times 7 is 14. They're both even numbers. I know they'll divide by 2, which gives me 3 out of 7, and then that's lowest terms there already. So we're on to 4. We see mixed numbers in here, so instantly before we do anything else, improper fractions. 4 times 2 is 8, plus another 3 is 11. 3 times 2 is 6. Plus another 1 is 7. Okay, now they're both improper fractions. Now take the reciprocal. If you tried to take the reciprocal of this without making an improper fraction first, it would just be completely wrong. Okay, so 7/3 becomes 3/7. 11 times 3 is 33. 4 times 7 is 28. Improper fraction. Take one group of 28 out, leaving us with 5 left over 28, and we're done. 1 3/8 divided by 1 3/8. So if you didn't see that, take a look. We've got a number divided by itself. I don't know how many of you realized it before you even started, but like if I had put up a question like this, 4 divided by 4, what would you say? And you could also show it this way, 4/4. Well, of course, anything divided by itself is 1. So it's the same thing, even though it's a fraction. It's interesting to see how it works, because this is still a little bit more complicated than what I just showed you. But the same idea, okay? So improper fractions first. 8 times 1 is 8, plus another 3 is 11. Same for that one, because it's the exact same number. Then take the reciprocal of our divisor. It becomes 8/11. 11 times 8 is 88, and 8 times 11 is 88. Then we're left with 88/88, or 88 divided by 88. How many groups of 88 go into 88? 1! Then on to 6. So I did Roman numeral 4 and Roman numeral 6 for you. 2/5 divided by 7/12. We're just taking the reciprocal of that. 12/7. 2 times 12 is 24. 5 times 7, 35. And then that one's in lowest terms for us already. They're taking it easy on us with the lowest terms on this page. Same here, just flipping this guy over, it becomes 3/5. 3 times 4 is 12, 5 times 5 is 25, and that one's in lowest terms too. Okay, so that's it. Again, as always, if you would like to see any of the other ones done that I didn't cover here, just message me right in Google Classroom, and then I'll contact you and you can see it. Okay, bye for now.